Hello guys, I'm Kim again playing. For this video I bought some new cubes, of course. These two guys. This is the pyramorphix. No, not the pyramorphix, the pyramorphix. And this is the Moyu Melon 3x3. Because it may surprise you, I don't have any of these, and the Moyu Melon as well. So let's get started. So let's start with the weirdest one, which is this one. So this is the pyramorphix. Let's see. Come on. Okay, good. Okay, let's see the turning. Wait, what? This is not how the pyramorphix work. Oh, now I see. So, shapeshifting. It's really hard to realize this, but this is just a 2x2. But I didn't realize this yet. And I won't scramble it either because I'm really afraid that I will scramble it more. And also, there are my good old A solver and the cube chipper don't have this. So very great cube. Kind of easy. And yeah. Now the last one is the Moyu Melon 3x3. This is the sticker version, and if you saw my the biggest review on my channel, the video, you saw that I have a similar cube to this, but it's not so similar. Maybe it's faster or whatever, okay. So first we have this, which is like a tutorial or something. Yes, it's a tutorial. Okay, good. Now let's see the cube. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Why doesn't it work? Okay, finally I got. Wait, what happened? I don't know. It got stuck or something. Let's see. Let's just do that again. Okay, great. Finally I got it. It was a piece of whatever. Okay. This cube is kind of fast actually. It doesn't have a really good corner cutting, but for a non-magnetic cube it's really fast. Like, look, I also got a gift for my cousin. Here I bought him the sticker version. This is the stickerless version. And yeah, that's all for this video. Like and subscribe because I want to hit 110 subscribers by the end of this year. And also, please like and please watch the video. And also share if you want, comment or whatever. Anyways, bye. Hope you like these new cubes.